Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited to come on and do this video. Just before Christmas, I received all these amazing goodies from the lovely Laura, who sent me all this lovely happy mail. And unfortunately, I had just been feeling so rubbish and not able to kind of talk for long enough to be able to do the video. So finally, yay, I've managed to actually get it all out. I haven't looked through anything yet. I've literally just emptied it out of the box so that I wasn't showing addresses and things. She sent me a beautiful card. I just wanted to quickly show you that because she just makes the most lovely things, and she puts all this lovely gilding on, and oh, it's just absolutely lovely. And although I haven't looked through anything, I did get as far as obviously reading the card that she enclosed. And she has sent this most incredible journal, which is absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm going to save this and do a flip through on another day, because Laura had the most fantastic idea that she was going to gift me a journal to do a giveaway for people who joined in like the mass making and made a journal with their mass made items. So I mean, that's just so incredibly kind. I literally can't believe that she's been kind enough to actually gift this journal for a giveaway prize. So what I will do a separate video for that and give full details of how to actually enter. But I have had a very, very quick flick through this, and it's absolutely beautiful. So really amazing prize. So I'm just going to pop that to one side, but keep your eyes peeled because within the next few days there will be a video with details of that. And she's gifted me all this amazing fabric. So look at this gorgeous fabric here. It's almost a bit like a giraffe kind of print. It sounds really strange, but it's got this kind of embossed, like raised print, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It reminds me of cross between giraffe print and honeycomb. I know, strange because they're nothing like, but that's what it's reminding me of. Gorgeous ribbon. I love blue and brown together. Well, I like quite a lot of things with brown, actually. I love pink and brown, blue and brown. They just look really lovely. So that's lovely. Thank you so much, Laura. She's also stamped me or enclosed a few of these lovely stamped, I don't know really what you would call these, whether you would call them journaling spots or little frames, but I've had some of these from her before, so much appreciated. Thank you so much, Laura. They're absolutely lovely. I love that stamp. It's gorgeous. So thank you very much. Oh, I love this. This is like, what's the word? Well, it's kind of, to me, this looks quite medieval. I understand to other people it may look a bit more boho, but to me it looks quite medieval slash boho, let's just say. Absolutely gorgeous, like upholstery fabric. It's really nice. In fact, it feels so thick, it almost feels like it could be a rug. It's absolutely lovely, so thank you very much. Oh, wow, look at this gorgeous fabric. Oh, that's just stunning, isn't it? I don't know whether this is sari fabric. It feels like it, or it, you know, it looks like it could be, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Really pretty. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, Laura. Oh, Laura just sends the most kind of generous packages and just, oh, is so kind-hearted. Thank you so much. Oh, wow, I love this. This is like tracing paper. I don't know whether this actually is tracing paper that Laura perhaps has dyed herself and embossed. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. And then maybe run through the printer. I don't know. But it's absolutely beautiful. The texture of this just feels so nice. It's cross between like tracing paper and tissue paper, but oh, I really love that. I hope I'm not, again, showing my ignorance and this is something really widely known what it is, and I'm just really, you know, unaware of what it is. So, but what gorgeous paper. It feels lovely and it sounds lovely. I love sort of textures like that. Oh, this is lovely as well. Very autumnal. Isn't that gorgeous? Really lovely. Just perfect for a kind of autumnal journal. Now, what's this? I'm a little bit intrigued. Oh, for my daughter. She will love that. Oh, she will love this. She spends literally half her time drawing, just constantly drawing. I mean, last night she was drawing her eye masks. She sleeps with one of those little furry eye masks on, and she was drawing a picture of that. So, oh, she will love this. Thank you so much, Laura. That's really, really kind of you. Oh, love this as well. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, and I'm thinking this would just go brilliantly with my Blue Baroque kit that I've recently created. It would just, yeah, really go well with that. So, love that. Thank you very much. I love all these heavy upholstery type feeling fabrics. They're just very, very luxurious feeling. And this one, isn't this gorgeous? Oh, I love these. These are just all of them absolutely awesome for covers and things. I just really, really love them. I'm struggling to think which one's my favourite, to be honest. But I just love the heavy weight of them. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love that one. That's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, really, really lovely. This is kind of more like curtain fabric, but it's really, really pretty. Really pretty. I mean, these are the types of curtains that I quite like. So, yeah, that's gorgeous. And obviously, I can never have enough green because I just absolutely love green. So this is just, oh, gorgeous. Look at the back of that. Isn't that fun? Oh, really, really lovely. Yeah. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. What happens is always, I do tend to hoard things quite a bit, but I have been very good and I have used quite a lot of fabric that Laura has gifted me, but this just goes in my big fabric pile, which I keep downstairs. And then, you know, when I do a project, I kind of go through the pile, and, you know, pick a fabric. So this is brilliant. Thank you so much. I love that. Really love that. And look at this gorgeous one. Now, this is really similar to some other fabric that Laura had gifted me once before, which was kind of just green and this yellowy colour stripe without the, I don't know what shade you would call this, like a salmony, rusty type colour. But it's very similar anyway to, well, it's not similar, but it reminds me of it. But yeah, probably not really similar at all if I actually put them together, because actually it's even different texture fabric. But anyway, oh, feeling super spoiled. Thank you so much, Laura. You are really, 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 really kind. It was honestly just, oh, driving me nuts, the box being sat there and not being able to look, because I just couldn't talk for long enough to do the video. Oh, that's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so, so, so much. And yeah, I hope that you all like all my beautiful fabrics here. They're just absolutely amazing. And funnily enough, I was beginning to run a bit low on fabric. So absolutely brilliant. Thank you so, so, so much, Laura. Really appreciate it. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks very much then. Bye.